Hi, this is my 3D printer. It's not supposed to be looking like this because something's gone wrong with it. This is the actual print head, what's supposed to fix on there, like that. That's the print head there, and that's where it comes out, and that's the print bed that blue plate is. This is the print guard that goes over that like that, and this is the lid what fixes on top, and then that is like the safety guard what goes over it. Don't know how well you can see, but it's not supposed to be coming out there. It's all wiggly woggly. It's all, like I said, it's supposed to come out this bit here, this little silver bit here, but not out of there. So it's just, so I've got to take all this apart to reset it. Some reason why it is coming out the wrong hole. So I've got to take all this bit here off and this bit here off. So I'll see in a bit. Well, I've just taken it apart, and as you can see, it's gone all over the place. Not supposed to do that. It looks like a bit like spaghetti junction. So basically, I've got to untangle all of that and then put it all back together again. I'm not sure why it has done that. Like, it's supposed to go in there, that's the end bit, and then go in a straight line all the way through, and then come out here, come out this bit here. It's supposed to be like a straight line. Follow my screwdrivers, go like through that bit and that bit there, straight line, not all hickory pickory. My only little concern and worry, that tiny little grub screw there has fallen out, and I've got no clue where it's come from. I hope it's not like a really important part. I have to try and find out maybe where it comes from. And I'm going to try and get rid of all this tanglement somehow. Okay, I've managed to clear all the mess out of it. All of that little mess there was in there when it's not supposed to be. It's supposed to come in there. Now I think I've discovered where this, how well you can see this. There's a little grub screw just there, and if I turn this slightly, there's another. I think it's just fallen out just there. Now we've tried to put in a scrub screw there, but don't want to. I think the actual thread on the two feeder gear, which is this bit here, I think the actual thread in there has gone, so it's very difficult to put the grub screw back in there. But apparently that one, there should be two, but that is holding quite well, so we might just be able to get away with just one. Starting to build it back up again. We put that spring back in that bolt there. Now we've got to fit these two fans back together. Right, we've fitted it back together. Now it's a matter of fitting this print head onto that bit there and fitting all the other gubbins back together again, and that wire connecting to this print head. So it should take about 5 minutes to do. So I'm doing the last little bit of, I've attached the print head to the printer now. And there's two little screws. I'm using this, make sure it's all nice and tight. And then we've got the print head guard. And then last few bits got the roof, the lid, whatever you want to call it. I think I've said this before, once you've got the first screw in, all the other screws should just happily follow in. You always get one which doesn't want to follow in. Maybe I'll put this in next. You filming? And thread this through here. Oops. Hole down here. Right in there. And when the machine's turned on, it should hopefully take it in. All left to do is put the hood on. Making sure that's the right way around. Hopefully this will work. That should be that.